What's going on, guys? Mike Shana here. Today I got something kind of cool. We're going to be installing a tow hook. So for those of you guys that didn't know, on your Camaro SSs, the cars do come with a stock tow hook. However, they're not track rated and they're not exactly the best looking, and I'll kind of show you guys that now. Alright, so this is the stock one, and it's just kind of a big hunk of metal that screws into the front of the car. Doesn't really do much good. However, I got this one from ZL1 Addons that I'll show you guys. This guy right here. I'll put the link in my bio to go check those guys out if you're interested. But this one's made of this one's got a lot better construction to it. It's powder coated red. It's got this ball pivot. It's really good construction. Everything feels like it's put together really well. I can't even bend this with my thumb. It takes a lot of effort. But this one looks really good. I'm going to show you guys how to install it. And then I've also got a GoPro mount I'm using my Hero 5 Session 4, and I'll show you how that all goes together. Yeah, the car's extremely dirty too, by the way. It's a winter beater, a daily driver, covered in salt. We've got the tow hook insert right here. You can see it behind the grill. What you're going to want to do, there's a little spot you can put your nail into or a screwdriver. You can pry out this front piece like that. It just comes out, clips in. Now we can take our tow hook. So this guy will just thread in like this. It's pretty easy. And you can position the end however you want. Now you'll notice it's kind of loose, it doesn't sit straight, and you can adjust that by loosening this ball right there using that nut and retightening it to whatever position you like. But that is the end result with just the tow hook. Alright, so this is the GoPro mount that you can get from ZL1 Addons, and I can include this link in the description as well. This is how it ships. It didn't come in a box or anything, but it's a pretty simple piece. It's just an aluminum L bracket, it looks like, with a GoPro mount bolted on. And this is a pretty simple install as well. All you're going to need is a 3/4 inch wrench and an 11/16 open-ended wrench. And all you're going to do is loosen this ball right here. This pivot ball with that, using that nut right there. Let's just unscrew just like that. This is also how to reposition it too, to get the right angle if the tow hook's twisted on your car. Remove the tape. And they actually give you a washer too. That's why I unscrewed it all the way to put the washer on. Slip the washer over the end, like so. And then this mount is going to hang out over the tow hook like this. All right. And this is pretty much the final product, and again, you can bend that if you like to. So now that we got it together, let's go put it on the car. All right, so once again, you're just gonna throw this guy back in, and you've already seen this before, so I'll just skip through it. All right, so this is a perfect example of what can happen. I threaded it back in, and because we had the ball off, it's now crooked, and this is pretty much as hand tight as I can get it. So we're gonna take our 11/16 wrench, put that guy in there, and then twist it till it's straight. All right, so now that this is mounted straight, I'm mounting the GoPro Hero 5 Session. And you guys know how GoPros go on, they just push right in. All right, there we go. We're now GoPro ready. we're gonna go give it a try now and see how it looks from the front. Alright, so should be getting some pretty cool footage right now. I'm gonna throw it up from the front of the car, mounted on the grill, as you saw. For those of you guys that don't know what PDR is, that you can get on the 1LEs or the ZL1s or even the Z06s, they should kind of replicate that or give a similar perspective, you know, without all of the information coming from the car, you know, with the speed and the amount of G's you're pulling and acceleration and braking. But at least we'll kind of get a point of view from that, which would be kind of cool. So yeah, it should be pretty soon. It's a quick install too, and it wasn't even that expensive either. Like I said, I'll put the link below. But even for you guys that don't have Camaros, they've got them for Corvettes. They've got them for Mustangs too, I believe. And I want to say it was $130, and then the GoPro mount was another $30. So it's not even that expensive either. And you know, to have it be track rated too, you know, it beats the one that they give you from the dealership. That's for sure, because you guys saw that one. It's kind of a piece of crap compared to the heavy duty one that ZL1 Addons created. You know, not only is it very functional, but it also looks pretty sweet too. I mean, it adds a whole new look to the car. It looks fantastic. You know, it looks sweet. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and make sure you like and comment on this video, and as always, don't forget to subscribe.